We're gonna make a vegetable broth today, guys, and this step is optional, but very recommended. It will add time to your cooking, okay? But we will get deeper flavors. So it's up to you. If you don't wanna deal with roasting your vegetables, you can go ahead and just put them in the pot and do what we're gonna do after the vegetables are roasted, okay? Vegetable broths are great for cooking, you know, older vegetables that you might have in your fridge, even scraps. Like if you have carrot peels and potato peels and things like that, you can freeze them and use them to make a homemade vegetable stock. So this is what I had in my fridge. I'm using half an onion. I have 3 smaller carrots here, some smashed garlic, 2 celery stalks, and some mushrooms, okay? You can use pretty much whatever you want. I'm gonna put this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 200 centigrade, for about 20 minutes, and then I have 8 cups, 2 liters, 2 quarts of water in this pot. I'm gonna add the roasted vegetables. See, they're nice and brown, and that's what gives this a nicer flavor. I'm going to add some thyme and 4 bay leaves. I'm gonna add black pepper, and we'll season it with salt. I'm gonna bring this to a boil, and then I'm going to cover it. I'm gonna reduce the heat, and I'm gonna let this simmer for about an hour and a half at really low heat, okay? And then I'll see you guys. All right, let's check this out. We have a nice vegetable broth here. I'm gonna turn this off, and I'm going to strain it, discard all the solids, and I'll come back. This is still very hot, but I'm gonna wait for it to cool down and then put it in the fridge, covered. You can use this to make rice, guys. You can use it obviously as a base for your vegetable soups, for lentil soup, for any soup you want. We're gonna make a mushroom green pozole with this. So this week we'll have this, and then the next video is gonna be our mushroom green pozole. Can't wait. All right, so let's give this a quick taste. Oh, and it's perfect. Cheaper and healthier than buying it at the store. You know exactly what went in there. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.